Hello everyone, so today I have kind of a hodgepodge unboxing from the Coach Boutique and the Gucci outlet. Interested to see what I got? Stay tuned. Hello everyone and welcome. If you're new to my channel, my name is Caleb and on here you're going to find a lot of things like luxury shopping, reveals, reviews, unboxings, like today, luxury travel, daily vlogs, pretty much anything that has to do with life and style, you're gonna find right here on this channel. So before we go any further, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, turn on the bell icon so that way you're notified when I post new content every Wednesday and Sunday morning at 10 a.m. Central Time. Find me over on Instagram, caleb.snell.designer if this isn't enough for you, which, I mean, hello, I'm assuming it's not. And yeah, sound off down in the comments. It's always a fun space down there. I love interacting with all of you, hearing what you're gonna buy, what you're eyeing, answering your questions. So sound off down below. And let's get into it as I'm fidgeting with all my accoutrements. This was going to be a much larger video, and then I ended up buying this. And let me explain. So I bought the Coach item probably about a few weeks ago. I put it up on my Instagram, so many of you have probably already seen it, but if you need a refresher, we're going to unbox this again today. And I have an item from Dooney & Bourke, well, not from Dooney & Bourke, but a very old piece of Dooney & Bourke coming from the It collection, if anyone remembers that. It's coming from Canada. It's not going to be here for another week, and I wanted to get this out while this collection was still readily available in the outlets at Gucci. I also bought a Coach suede blazer and vest set from the early 2000s, late 90s, but that needs cleaned and a little altered. It's a little sad on me. I thought, you know, this little Gucci item really wouldn't stand well on its own, so you're getting a bonus Coach item today as well. What did I get, you ask? Now, this item, I don't know why. I was just on the Coach website, maybe looking at a tabby or maybe dreaming of the perfect custom rogue, and I stumbled upon this. Or maybe they sent me an email because I looked at something. Regardless, I ordered it. So this piece, it's still on the website actually right now, so I will link it down below for you guys. But it was originally, I think, $98 in total. And when I purchased it, it was 50% off, and it's still 50% off. What did I get? This is the snakeskin or the python wrap bracelet with the gold hardware, and it is so stinking cute. So it's python on the outside, which is kind of like a stormy gray black python. And then the interior is done in a beautiful, moody, dark purple calfskin. And it's a gorgeous piece, you guys. It fits me pretty well. I think it's meant to go around 3 times, but on me it only goes around twice because I have thick man wrists. What can you do? So I'm just gonna take it in, maybe get the end trimmed off a little bit, or maybe just put in a hole a little bit further in just so I could double wrap it. Regardless, $47.50. It's a drop in the bucket and you get a little piece of exotic. So it's a no-brainer. Just put it in your cart already. So this piece, it does have a couple of bad reviews on the Coach website. Now, one person thought it was going to be a belt. I mean, I'd like to have a waist that size, but it's not gonna work. I promise, it will not work as a belt. And another person, I think they got a damaged one because they said that there was like green splatter paint all over the scales, and it's just a stormy gray and black python. It's very simple. There's a gold Coach C, or C for Caleb, and there's a small crystal in there, but we'll take a close look at that here in a minute. Yeah, $47.50. You cannot go wrong. And that is the Coach. Now, so why do I have my favorite Gucci bag sitting out here? Well, it's kind of a long story. So for those of you who have been following me for a minute know that recently, back in November, Zane and I went to Spain, had a wonderful time in Barcelona, and I picked up not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 luxury handbags. I got 2 at Gucci, 1 at Balenciaga, and 1 from Longchamp because I buy a Longchamp every time we're in Europe. Now, this bag is absolutely stunning, and the other day I was watching a fellow YouTube content creator, and I'm gonna blame her for this impulse purchase, and I think you know who you are. Jame from Jame's Jam. Now, if you don't already follow Jame from Jame's Jam, check her out. She is so much fun. I love her channel. She's always unboxing something fun. Just a really, really good channel, so check her out. Anyway, so she unboxed a piece from this collection, 2 pieces actually. She had the green flat bag that I wanted, and she also got something small, and that's what I have in here. So as soon as she unboxed these items, she got them at Fashion File, and then not even 24 hours later, Zane got an email saying, hey, Multicolor is now at the outlets. So I meant to go Friday after work. I ended up staying late to help someone out and missed my chance. Anyway, Saturday, Zane and I, we ran out to the outlet, did some shopping. I picked up this little cutie. We drove home in a tornado warning, which was a ton of fun. Sarcasm. Enough rambling. Thank you, Jane, for making me go to the outlet and buy this. Let's unbox it. So the version that she got was the blue with the pink on the back and then the red lining. I'm not the biggest red person personally. I do love it, but when I saw it in person, it just wasn't for me. So I went with a different color. Can you guys guess what it is? This is so stinking cute. This is the pink multicolor compact wallet from the Marmont collection to go with my blue Marmont, also from the multicolor collection. Is this pairing not a vibe? Now they also had some of the Python Marmont pieces. They had the emerald and the ruby. Now the emerald was marked down to $445. This was marked down to only $315. So in hindsight, I probably should have bought the Python just because it would have gone really well with a bag that I'll be unboxing soon for you guys. I went with this one just because this is what I went in for, and I knew I would regret not having a compact wallet for this bag because although I love this bag, with the way that the zipper top opening goes, it's a pain to get a full-size Louis Vuitton Brazza wallet or Balenciaga wallet out, so I want something compact to go inside. All right, so like I said, this is just constructed in Python leather. And it's beautifully done. For $47.50, it really wasn't a bad deal in my opinion. And then the lining, it's just done in like a very dark purple leather. Now, here at the front buckle, you do have the Coach C in brass, or probably gold colored more than anything. And then there in the C is a crystal, nothing more. Anyway, super cute. I love it. It was a good deal. I plan to style it here soon and start wearing it, so I'm super excited. All right, so here is the Gucci compact wallet up close, and as you can tell, it is a perfect addition to my multicolor collection. Now I just need to find something in green from that set. Anyway, besides the point. So the compact wallet opens up with a snap. You have 2 card slots here at the front, 2 in the back. You'll also have a zippered compartment here in the middle for coins or small items. There's also a pocket back here in the back behind the zipper coin port. And then one of the neatest parts about this wallet is the bill compartment back here in the back. Now, when we're here at home, I don't really carry a whole lot of bills, but in Europe, obviously you'll have some euros, so that'll come in handy for that. And it's just a smart addition to my collection. I think, you know, it's good to have varying sizes of wallets, be it whether they're the long style, compact like this, card holder. Different wallets serve different purposes, and it's just good to have a selection in your collection. Say that 5 times fast. Anyway, 2 great additions to my collection. All right, guys, so those are my 2 new pieces. We have the wallet, the bracelet, and I think this is all a vibe. I'm really here for it, and I love it. Thank you, Jame, for making me go and purchase the wallet. It's perfect. I absolutely love it. I love yours too. Again, go and check her out if you haven't, and give this bracelet Give this bracelet a look too over on Coach.com. $47.50 before shipping and tax. You can't afford not to. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for joining today. I hope you enjoyed this very random and all over the price spectrum luxury contemporary unboxing. It is what it is. Anyway, thank you so much for joining today. I hope you all have a fantastic week, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe, have fun, have a good week. Bye-bye.